Alright guys, so right now we're going to configure our authentication strength. So we go to intra.microsoft.com. Let's let that load up. Alright, so today we're going to cover our authentication strength. We're going to make an authentication strength policy. So I know we all know, we are aware of the authentication methods. There's two distinct settings in Entra Admin Center. So it's going to be authentication methods and authentication strengths. So right now we're going to set up the authentication strength. I've already set up my authentication methods, and if I click right here under Entra ID, which is also called identity, we're going to go to authentication methods. And if we look at our policies, these are all the methods that we have available, or at least configured, and if it is enabled or not. So if you can see, I have Authenticator enabled, temporary access pass, OAuth token, and QR code. All right. I like to say, think of this as like a pantry in a kitchen, right? So these are all the different seasonings, so to speak, that we have available tenant wide, right? Any of our applications and users can use. So this is authentication methods. And so what we want to do is configure our authentication strength. So our authentication strength is a type of policy that is configured alongside with conditional access policies. All right, so what we're going to do is have already three that's already configured for us by Microsoft. So we have multi-factor authentication, passwordless MFA, and phishing-resistant. Phishing-resistant does pretty much configure what we're about to configure, but it can be a little bit strict. So if you want something as secure but a little bit less strict, that we're going to create our own custom policy. So we go to new authentication strength, and we were going to call this modern MFA strength. All right, I can't spell today. Policy. All right, apparently I didn't win the spelling bee. All right. Okay. Modern MFA strength policy. All right. And now we're going to choose what we want to include, or when we do enforce this particular policy with a conditional access policy or multiple, what is included in the strength. So we want to only include the most secure methods. So we're going to include Windows Hello for Business. That's pretty secure. We're going to do Microsoft Authenticator. That's pretty secure. All right. And then we're going to do temporary access pass, which I haven't fully set that up yet, but we'll go over that in a different video. And that's about all. I don't want password with Authenticator because that could technically be phished or hacked. So for now, I'm going to leave this one off. Again, these are only going to apply in conjunction with a conditional access policy that we will set up to utilize this strength policy. So we're going to click next. This is a review screen. This is telling us what we have selected to include, and we're going to create our policy. All right, so that policy is created, and we can see here modern MFA strength policy. If we was to click in there, it's going to tell us all the authentication options that we have available. So now we have did this. So let's say that someone is outside of the office, and if you're outside of our trusted network, then you would need to have this modern strength policy enforced. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to conditional access policies. There's a few different ways that you can go there, but if we want to just stay in intro, we can just go right here to conditional access. We go to policies. We have legacy apps policy, where we do require MFA for legacy applications. I'll have the user do MFA on legacy apps. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to new policy. We're going to say untrusted MFA policy. All right, so for now, that's what we're going to say, untrusted MFA, untrusted network MFA policy. And we're going to assign this right now. We're going to say all users, and target resources. We will do all resources, formerly all apps. And we're going to say under this, if it's going to apply to anything that's outside of our trusted. So we're going to include any network, and we're going to exclude all targeted. So this includes any network except for our trusted. And if they're not trusted, they're going to use a different, maybe less stringent authentication methods. Again, this is allowed, and if you're in a working production environment, you can set these settings however you want them. All right, so we have the one condition selected, which is any networks, all excluding ours. So basically, if the user is in any network outside of our trusted network, this policy will be enforced. All right, grant network, grant access. All right, require an authentication strength, and we're going to do multi-factor authentication, passwordless, phishing, and we're going to do this for modern MFA strength policy that we created. We're going to select that. So now we have our policy. This is our name. It's targeting all users, all resources, or all apps, any network that they are in. That's what's going to trigger the condition to be granted. We're going to grant them access. We could block them access. Oh, you're not at the office, then we're going to block. But that's not the best practice. So we're going to grant them access, and we're going to basically require that strength policy that we created earlier. And now, for now, we're going to have that report only. We're going to create, and just like that, we created our conditional access policy for outside of network. So it's going to basically take a minute to load up here. So we just click refresh a few times. It'll eventually load up here. Here we are, untrusted network MFA policy, and it's on report only. And so that's basically, guys, how we set particular strengths based on conditions. So you can have all of your access authentication methods available, but let's just say if they are in a certain condition where the device is maybe not considered compliant, or in this case, if they're outside of the trusted network or any trusted network, then we're going to have a more stringent MFA policy for logon. And that is the overview of conditional access in conjunction with authentication strengths. All right, guys, thanks for joining today, and happy intuning.